Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold from Monday. If you're watching my video, so the first you can subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, finally gold managed to survive the selling pressure. On Friday, we discussed clearly that for gold to recover, gold needs to survive above 3260 because if gold falls below 3260, the correction on gold would continue. And for the upside to continue, gold needs to go above 3400. And we also discussed that this is the range of gold. And as expected, gold was sideways, gold was in a range. And gold closed around, or the last traded price was around 3320. So we can see that overall the trend of the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it, because if you look at a daily chart also, we can see that the daily chart is still very much bullish, super bullish. So after some correction, if market goes up, okay, we will not be surprised. Okay, but for that we also need a market sentiment, isn't it? If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold dips 2% as US-China trade tensions ease, dollar rises. So market was mostly driven by the trade war trade, and slowly it is going down, easing. So the possibility of gold going for a new all-time high is less right now. If any news comes out, okay, if any news comes out regarding the trade war trade or regarding the tension between India and Pakistan, okay, things may go crazy again. But as of now, we do not have any big news that will make gold fly again for an all-time high. If gold breaks 3400, then 3500 will be the next target, but I don't think so gold will be going for an all-time high. If any news comes out, if any global crisis comes out, then obviously we will see gold heading towards 3700, 4000. Okay, sky is the limit again. But as of now, chances of gold going for a new all-time high is less, though we have seen that gold is sideways right now. Chances of gold going up is high. I don't think so gold will be going for all-time high as of now. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities. My dear friends, you already know that there are lots of scams going on in my name, so please be careful. Do not go and type in Telegram the trader next door. All the groups are scams. For example, this group you can see with more than 5,000 members, okay, running scams, investment schemes in my name. You can see this is a big group with almost 13,500 members. Okay, you can see they have been running scams in my name. Please stay away from these groups. Only we have one official community, that is the trader next door community. Feel free to join. The link is in the description. Okay, and with gold, you can see that the major levels that we discussed in our previous videos are still very much valid. Okay, for example, we discussed in a previous video that the best support zone to buy for swing traders is around 3130 to 3160. 3130, 3160 is still the best support for swing traders, position traders to grab a buy position, because on the daily chart we can see that we have a beautiful support from the previous resistance. Okay, and we can also see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So 3130, 3160 is still the best support for gold. If market comes down, best support for swing traders if market comes down. Okay, I repeat it. But 3130, 3160, that level is far away, isn't it? That is a big concern. So where is the next level? So the next support on the chart of gold is around 3231, 3225. The black dotted line here you can see is the next support on the chart of gold. Not only you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level, but this level is also a good support because the previous resistance will be working as support here. So 3231, 3225 is a good support zone if market comes down. Means if we see gold going down on Monday, if gold breaks 3260, we can look for the next support around this area, and we can also take a sell below 3260 as we have already discussed in our previous videos. Okay, so let me make it clear. See, this is a zone. The blue box is a zone here right now. When gold will break the zone here, okay, we can see this is an empty space. So we can go for a sell position around this area. And when market will hit the dotted line here, the 32303228 area, okay, observe the market. If you see market is taking support, you can hit the buy button. Okay, and we have another support around 31963200 because of previous support around this area. This support is also still very much valid around 3200. Okay, but the thing is that right now gold is inside the range here. Okay, so inside, as long as market is inside the range, number of trading opportunities will be limited because this is a sideways market. In a sideways market, if you really want to make money, you need to be patient. People hate sideways market because market is in a range, and if you enter on the middle of the chart, you will end up losing money. Your area of value will not be in your favor. Your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. And you need to be patient. You need to wait and wait and wait, because in a sideways market, the best trading strategy is buy at support, sell at resistance. And the support from yesterday is still very much valid. Okay, remember the blue box. The blue box did a fantastic job. So the support around 3272, 3262 is still very much valid. On Monday, if you see market taking support around this area, I think still the zone has a potential to bounce the market again. So this is still a support zone for us. I won't say it's a very strong support zone because already the zone has done its job, but still we can expect the zone to provide support to the market once. Otherwise, we can look for a sell below this area, and the next buy opportunity will be around 3230, 3225. And rest of the support levels are still very much valid. Okay. And as we all know, okay, as we already discussed 2 to 3 times in our previous videos also, that 3370, 3390, yes, the resistance zone, not zone, resistance zone is still very much valid, but 3400 is a round number. So even so, if you buy, okay, if you buy above 3390 area, please be careful. And remember, 3370, 3390 is still a no. Okay, I won't say that it's a resistance, okay, but it's a no buy zone. So if you see strong price rejection from above on Monday, then you can look for a sell position around this area. But otherwise, if you're planning to take a buy and breakout, please be careful, because if market breaks 3400, market will be over the psychological resistance, and you can expect the market to head towards the levels like 3450, 3480. So 3400 is the main resistance as of now. But yes, 3370, 3390 is a level, okay, where you can look for a sell opportunity on Monday as well. Already this zone has done a very nice job, but still we can expect another selling opportunity around this area. Already the market has tested a level thrice. Let's hope that we will get another opportunity to sell. You can also see that I have drawn 2 dotted lines here. So these dotted lines are not very strong ones, but still, as a day trader, a scalper, we can look for a quick selling opportunity around 3332, 3333, 3333. Okay, as a scalper, you can look for a trade of 30 to 40 pips, and you can also look for a quick selling opportunity around 3350. Okay, these are 2 scalping opportunities for 40 to 50 pips on the chart of gold. If you see market is going up, but there's not much volume, these are high risk level trades. High risk trades, okay, high risk trades. Why high risk? Because you 3350, 3333, okay, these are levels from the middle of the chart, not a good ones. So if you see market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling around the area, as a scalper day trader, you can look for a quick selling opportunity. But keep in mind, in a sideways market, buy at support, sell at resistance is still the best and safest trading strategy. 3350, 3333 are levels. You can look for a quick selling opportunity, but not very reliable. Okay, so this is the chart of gold right now. If market goes up and breaks 3400, obviously buying will come, but let's wait for the market to open. I'm coming on Monday as well to discuss how to trade again, but as of now, this is the only trading strategy I see on the chart of gold right now. And my dear friends, if you are trading with a unregulated broker, local broker, then you should immediately switch to a regulated broker. And if you're looking for a good option, then you can go with Star Trader or Vantage. Star Trader is a very good option for day traders because as a day trader, low spread should be your first priority. On Star Trader, you will get a spread of only 17 on gold. After the account opening, it will be around 27, I guess. Okay, but after the account opening, just message me or WhatsApp me that Abhilash, it's done. Reduce the spread. Okay, I'll do the needful. Safety is the first priority. Star Trader have license from FCA, ASIC, SCA. Okay, multi-regulator license and also provide compensation up to 20,000 euros. So if you're looking for a reliable broker, then please go with Star Trader as if you're a day trader. And if you're looking for a swap-free account, okay, you're from Europe, you're from Africa, okay, Australia, and you need a swap-free account, then you can go with Vantage. The spread is a little bit higher because uh, you'll not be paying any swap charges, but Vantage, okay, is also a big name as you all know. Okay, the spread will be around 20 to 24, 25, okay, on gold, but it will be a swap free account. Vantage doesn't require any introduction. It's a big brand. Okay, so my dear friend, you can go with Vantage if you want. Okay, and one thing I would like to mention here is that, okay, if you're a resident of India, अगर आप इंडिया से हो, try to avoid bank transfers as of now. All the brokers are facing bank transfer deposit and withdrawal issues. There are lots of complications, legal issues in India. Okay, so if possible, okay, it doesn't matter which broker you're using right now. Okay, try to go with USDT. Okay, so anyways, these are the options that you can go with. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.